Well, the Senior Care Center, we provide a level of health care in the community for folks that live here who are really ready for a discharge from the hospital, but yet they can't independently live at home. So they've got to go somewhere, and I think the Senior Care Centers provide a different level of care for those individuals. We provide with physical therapy, occupational therapy services, and skilled nursing services. In addition to that, I think just being able to have family members within your own community really reduces the amount of stress on the folks that live in our community. So instead of driving somewhere out of town to go visit your loved one, you have a place right here locally that you can go visit. Our team works collaboratively together to solve problems and come up with solutions for some of the challenges we have each day with our residents and with COVID-19 and some of the other staffing challenges we face. So our team is open and encouraged to provide feedback and ideas to help improve on systems and processes and things like that that might make a difference to our team. We've learned probably more and more over the last couple of years to be adaptable and adaptable to change, and our team comes together when that happens. So you come in and whatever we might think is on the schedule for that day, there's a few things that might change it. A couple of times we've had some scenarios where you come into work and all of a sudden, hey, we had a couple of positive COVID cases, and everybody just switches gears. And I love to see the team come together when everybody's like, well, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? I'll go get this and you go get that, and let's move some things around. I'll take care of these residents if you take care of these residents. And we've really had a lot of fun. Sometimes through some of the more challenging times is when the team, you see them coming together and really the strength of the team shows up then. I appreciate everyone's patience and understanding as we work through the challenges of our industry. Not just our facility, but our industry nationwide, and some of our staffing challenges. And we've got a lot of folks that are really dedicated, and I can't say how much I appreciate it that everyone shows up and says, how can I help? How can I make a difference today? We'll work through this together. Especially the days that you really don't want to come in, those are the days that you show up. Those are the toughest days sometimes. That, to me, really shows a level of commitment that I greatly appreciate. I'm new within the last 2 years, and we've had an interim director of nursing. And folks have been very patient as we've gone through a few different nursing directors, assistant directors. We now have built a nursing administration team. But a lot of folks have been very, very, very patient and tolerant during this tough time. So I just want to say I deeply appreciate everyone for your patience, for your understanding, for your dedication, for showing up every day, and for everything you do.